Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting. 5 skills that will pay you forever. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes, no way. These are skills that are high in demand, can open up tons of opportunities, and the best part, you can learn them too. So if you're ready to invest in your future and learn how to make some serious bank, hit that like button and let's jump right into it.
First up, we've got coding. It's an essential skill in today's digital age. This is like the superpower of the 21st century. Imagine having the ability to create anything you can think of right from your computer. Seriously, look at guys like Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates. They built empires with code. They started with just an idea and some lines of code. Learning to code is like learning the language of computers. It's a universal language that can open doors to countless opportunities. You can create websites, apps, games, you name it. The possibilities are endless, and you can bring your creative ideas to life. And trust me, the demand for skilled coders is off the charts. Companies are constantly on the lookout for talented developers. We're talking big bucks, guys. Coding skills can significantly boost your earning potential. Plus, you can work from anywhere in the world. Whether you prefer a cozy home office or a bustling coffee shop, the choice is yours. Imagine coding from a beach in Bali. The flexibility is incredible. Now I know what you're thinking, coding sounds intimidating. But don't worry, it's a journey worth taking. But honestly, it's not as hard as you think. With patience and practice, you'll get the hang of it. There are tons of free resources online and apps that make learning fun. You can join online communities and coding boot camps too. Start with the basics like HTML and CSS to build a strong foundation, and then move on to languages like Python or JavaScript. These are powerful tools that can help you create complex applications. Stick with it, put in the work, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The world of coding is waiting for you to explore.
Next up is digital marketing, a field that's constantly evolving and growing. In today's world, everything's online, from shopping to socializing, the internet is where it all happens. Businesses are desperate to stand out and reach their customers in the digital space. They need innovative strategies to capture attention. That's where you come in. As a digital marketer, you have the power to make a real impact. Digital marketers are like the cool kids in school who know how to get the party started. They bring energy and creativity to the table. You'll learn how to use social media effectively, creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. SEO, email marketing, and content creation are just a few of the tools in your arsenal. You'll master all sorts of other ninja tactics to drive traffic and boost sales, making your campaigns successful. Think about guys like Neil Patel and Gary Vaynerchuk. They've built their entire careers around digital marketing. They are industry leaders. And let me tell you, they're not hurting for cash. Their success stories are truly inspiring. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree to get started. Passion and dedication are your best assets. There are tons of online courses and resources that can teach you everything you need to know. The internet is your classroom. Get ready to unleash your inner marketing guru. The digital world is waiting for you to make your mark.
Okay, this next one might seem scary, but trust me, it's a game changer. Public speaking. I know, speaking in front of a crowd can be terrifying, but conquering that fear can lead to incredible opportunities. Think about it. Great leaders, entrepreneurs, and influencers are all amazing public speakers. Look at Tony Robbins or Oprah Winfrey. They command attention and inspire millions with their words. Public speaking helps you build confidence, articulate your thoughts clearly, and connect with people on a deeper level. These are invaluable skills in any profession. Start small. Practice your speeches in the mirror, join a Toastmasters club, or even just chat with more people. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
Now let's talk about securing your financial future. Investing. It's one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. This isn't just for Wall Street hotshots, it's for everyone. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or planning for retirement, investing can work for you. Investing is basically putting your money to work for you so it grows over time. Instead of just saving, you're making your money earn more money. Think of it like planting a tree. You nurture it, and over time it grows into something much bigger. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it grows, right? The same principle applies to investing. The same goes for investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Compounding is like a snowball effect, where your earnings generate even more earnings. Legends like Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch became billionaires through smart investing. They understood the power of starting early and making informed decisions. And while we might not all become billionaires, we can definitely build wealth and achieve financial freedom through investing. It's about making your money work for you. Start by learning the basics: stocks, bonds, mutual funds. Each has its own risk and reward profile. Bonds, mutual funds. Diversifying your investments can help manage risk and maximize returns. There are tons of resources available online and even apps that make investing simple and accessible. So, take the first step today and watch your money grow.
Last but not least, we have writing. In a world dominated by social media and the internet, the ability to write clearly and persuasively is more valuable than ever. Whether it's blog posts, website copy, social media captions, or even books, good writing can take you far. Just look at authors like Stephen King and J.K. Rowling. They created entire worlds and captivated millions with their words. Writing helps you improve your communication skills, organize your thoughts, and even boost your creativity. Plus, it's a skill you can use in almost any field. Start a blog, write short stories, or even just practice writing every day. The more you write, the better you'll become.
There you have it, folks. 5 skills that will pay you forever. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So pick a skill, get out there, and start learning. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content like this, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.